separates the mouth from the nasal cavity because they're all connected.
Interesting. So that is why I can breathe through my nose as well as my mouth.
That is correct. But remember that breathing through your nose is always healthier. Remember the hair and the mucus that was there in the nostrils? Those filter the air of the dust particles and don't allow dust particles to enter the human body. While that does not happen if you're breathing through your mouth.
Whoa, what are these humongous things here? They're like crushing everything around us. Like huge white crushers. And where exactly have we landed? It's so sloshy around here, no?
Yes, they are huge white crushers. They're in fact food crushers. What you see out there, the white things, they are the teeth. But let me talk about the teeth a little.
Okay, I get it. What about tasting and swallowing?
We'll get to eating in a bit. Let's look at tasting first. That's the main function of the tongue, right? The surface of the tongue, as you can see, is rough. It is covered with a lot of bumps. And these bumps have special names. They're called papillae. They contain taste buds that help us taste anything that we eat. And an average human has around 10,000 taste buds on his tongue. Oh, by the way, you see the pattern that the papillae makes on the tongue? This pattern, just like a fingerprint, is unique to everyone as well. But even though we have 10,000 taste buds on the tongue, all these taste buds together help us taste a total of only 5 different tastes. Sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Now, I am sure you know most of these by now, but we look at each taste one by one. Let's take sweet first. Example of foods that taste sweet includes chocolates and pastries. The sweet taste indicates the presence of sugar in the food, and sugar gives your body energy. This is the reason why you'll find yourself liking chocolates more than you like vegetables, because the body gets a bigger boost of energy from the chocolates than the vegetables in short term. But keep in mind, too much chocolate is bad for health. Now moving on to our next taste, sourness. Lemons and vinegar are among the foods that have a sour taste in our mouth. And by the way, we humans are the only animals to enjoy sour taste. Next up, bitterness. Foods and spices like dark chocolate, orange peel, cardamom, and drinks like coffee are bitter. By the way, sour and bitter taste usually make you cringe when you actually taste them. This feeling has a significance. Anything that is bitter or sour warns us that you are about to swallow something that may actually be a little poisonous. Next, the salty taste comes from a chemical called sodium. This is a very important chemical that the body wants. This chemical is required to do everything from maintaining your blood pressure to moving any muscle in your body. Sodium also helps you keeping the right balance of water in your body. And finally, we have umami. Now, I know you may be wondering just what exactly umami is. It actually means yummy in Japanese. It's the taste that you get from all the savory and tasty foods that make your mouth water. You can taste it in foods like tomato sauce, some cheese, mushrooms, and cabbages. It's not sweet, it's not sour, it's not salty, it's not bitter. It's umami. All the tastes that we experience is in fact a combination of these 5 tastes. When we eat food, the teeth starts crushing it into tiny particles. And when these particles attach themselves to the taste buds generate an electrical signal which is then carried to the brain. And the brain interprets these signals as tastes. This is very similar to the case of the nose, where the electrical signals in the nose were interpreted as smell instinct. But sometimes while chewing, food particles get stuck in the teeth. Which is why it is very important to brush your teeth twice every day so that you remove these food particles. If you don't, the food particles will just stay there for a long time. And
guys,
that's the reason why
like
you get a lot of harmful bacteria all over your mouth. The type of food also makes a huge difference. Bacteria are just like us. They like sweet food too. So, when you eat a lot of sweet, there will be a lot of bacteria which keep eating the sugar stuck on your teeth. After a while, they start forming an acidic yellow coating called plaque all over your teeth. This plaque is a mixture of bacteria, food, mucus, and acid. The acid in this mixture keeps increasing over time until it burns a hole through your teeth. These holes are what we call cavities. This is the reason why
Please guys,
doctors
like and subscribe
always
करें.
advise you to brush your teeth twice every day so that we get rid of the plaque.
And each nerve cell is able to identify only one type of odor particles. So a particular dish will have millions of these nerve cells present in the nose. And each nerve cell is able to identify